Let's move on now. Let's take you, our audiences, after that gorgeous conversation where we felt you got to open up a little, even just listening to that. Let's take you now to a different story altogether. We're taking you up to Kashmir. India is globally known as and for its wide range of medicinally significant plants. Kashmir is slowly becoming part of India's purple revolution, with farmers switching to more rewarding lavender crops. And our colleague Ishan Vani on the ground, bringing you this ground report, traveling to a lavender farm in South Kashmir to get us this entire story. Take a look.
Nested between picturesque valley, this lavender farm in Anantnag district is becoming a face of India's purple revolution. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is perceived as the hub of medicinal plants. With fertile soil at disposal, many farmers across Kashmir are switching to planting lavender due to its high demand and medicinal values. Lavender oil sells for at least 12,000 per litre and is the main commodity here. Other popular products include medicines, essence sticks, soaps and air fresheners that are also made from this plant. The government of Jammu and Kashmir is working on involving the unemployed youth of the valley to start lavender farms across various districts of the valley.
ये पर्पल रेवोल्यूशन एक लिए लोगों के लिए और नए खास करके पढ़े लिखे नौजवानों के लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद चीज़ है। और इस बार जो हमने लेवेंडर के साथ साथ हम बल्गेरियन रोज़ भी यहाँ करते हैं। बल्गेरियन रोज़ के साथ हमने नए नए वैरायटीज़ यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं। इसमें बहुत फ़ायदे हैं, लोग जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ। बहुत सारे युवा जो नई पीढ़ी है वो रजिस्ट्रेशन करके, इनके पास ज़मीन अवेलेबल है, ऑर्गेनिक ज़मीन है, फर्टिलाइजर ज़मीन है। और कुछ ऐसे भी लैंड है जो अनड्यूलेटेड है, मतलब लोगों ने इसको मतलब छोड़ दिया, अपने दिमाग से छोड़ दिया कि ये ज़मीन किसी काम के नहीं है। ये लेवेंडर जो है ये ड्राफ्ट रेजिस्टेंट है। तो युवा की बात है, युवा पूरी तरह से एक ही क्रॉप नहीं लगाते आज कि हमारे एरिया में एज़ पर द एक्सपीरियंस हमने मतलब बहुत सारे एरियाओं में हमने विज़िट किया है, वहाँ मेडिसिनल भी इसके साथ लगाती है। ये बल्गेरियन रोज़ भी कुछ लगाते हैं। मतलब बहुत शौक़ है यहाँ के जो नए युवा के लोग हैं, नए युवा पीढ़ी के लोग।
Lavender farms also present a picturesque look which has the potential of attracting tourists. This is also considered to be a low maintenance crop and blossoms for 15 years. The Ministry of Science and Technology, while aiming to promote the indigenous aromatic crop-based agroeconomy through the Aroma Mission, has now trained more than 44,000 people and farmers have made substantial fortunes. According to experts, Kashmir Valley has perfect conditions for lavender cultivation. This is also helping to generate rural employment while helping in blossoming India's purple revolution.
This is a picture of India's purple revolution in Kashmir. The smell here and the aroma here is really therapeutic. These are the lavender plants cultivated in south of Kashmir, which is slowly gaining popularity among farmers. 1 liter of oil cultivated from these lavender plants costs you around 12,000 rupees. And what is more interesting is that the youngsters in Kashmir are slowly starting to pick up this cultivation, which doesn't need much of the human interference. It grows slowly, doesn't need much fertilizers, and this is something which is becoming the face of India's purple revolution. These are not only used in medicines, but also this has several properties, and every day you go to buy your room freshener, remember, this is where possibly your lavender perfumes oil has come from, and this is what is spreading magic in your rooms or in your therapeutic massages.